I'm feeling myself in this dress, as you guys can see. It's just really like, Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mylee Rainelle. Thank you so much for watching. So, I'm sure you guys are wondering, where have I been? It's been almost a month and I haven't posted any new content. Well, I'm here to tell you I'm back and I'm better. I was on bed rest because I had surgery and I needed to take the time to heal and recover. But now I'm almost 100% to being my normal, happy, healthy self. And I can give you guys all the content that you're looking for. Today's video is going to be something that's super fun. As you can see, it's definitely going to be a try-on haul, but also it's going to be a giveaway from Chic Geeks. And they are one of my favorite tech Black-owned companies right now. They have amazing products, and I cannot wait to unbox the items that they sent for me and see who the winner for the lucky Macbook Pro case is going to be. So let's get into it. The rules for the giveaway are: 1, you have to be following me on Instagram. 2, you have to be following Chic Geeks on Instagram. And 3, you have to comment below your Instagram handle and also comment below the secret word that's going to be sprinkled somewhere in this video. So the first item that I'm going to try on is going to be this stone frill wrap dress. I actually got this piece in 2 different colors. I got it in the stone color, and then I also got it in a black color. As if you guys have watched any of my videos before, you guys know if I love something, I'm gonna get it in multiples because I love it that much. And there was something about this dress that I really loved. I will say it is a very like classic piece. Wrap dresses are definitely something that DVF is a genius for. They're just so simple, they're just so easy, and they're just so effortless. And I really just love the way that this one fit me, so I'm gonna just try it on for you guys really quick. So as you guys can see, it kind of fits a little bit on me like a mini dress, but I love the frill detail on the bottom. I love the frill detail at the neckline. It's definitely a very low V cut, but I absolutely love this frill detail. It's just really gorgeous. And this with a nude pair of shoes and you know, a cute little bag definitely will set the tone for the evening. I know we're going into fall weather, but we can easily pair this with some type of thin line jacket. Or we can pair this with a cute little like oversized puffer. There's just so many ways to do that. You could do thigh-high boots with this. It's just really, really easy. And this is me in the black. We like cute, very sexy, and just like I said, it's very effortless, very easy fashion. You don't really have to think too hard with this piece on. In both the stone and the black, I got mine in a size 6. I only paid $20 for it, so I feel like it's super affordable. You don't really have to think too hard when you wear this dress. Really easy, really beautiful, you know what I mean? So the next item that I'm going to try on for you guys is going to be this high neck crochet bodycon dress. I got this in a size 6 as well, and I paid $34 for it. I actually was attracted to this because of the way that it fit on the model. I was really excited to have something that was a little dressy for my upcoming winter wardrobe. I'm not really sure how it's gonna fit because although it's bodycon, it doesn't seem like there's any type of stretch to it. So we'll see. Okay. I like this. It's kind of hard for me to zip all the way in the back because I don't have anybody to like pull it up for me, but it would fit me perfectly if I were to zip it up. And I kind of like the way it fits. Like I said, there is no stretch to it, so it kind of is just giving what it's giving. But I like it. I definitely like this piece, and I'll just come a little closer so you guys can see the detailing of the crochet. It's really beautiful, honestly. It's really, really beautiful. So the back. And I'm not sure if you guys like this style of try on, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. I know normally it's a little bit formal, but this is just me in the moment trying things on, first impression, not really knowing how things fit. So, and this little string is like what they attach. If you break it, you can't return it. So I didn't want to take it off before I tried it on because I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit or not. Alright, so let's move on to the next item. The next piece is gonna be this cute floral halter top frill bottom skirt. I actually really love this piece. I got this in a size 6 and I only paid $24 for it. So it was fairly cheap, but it's like one of those very like, ooh, I'm here, I'm cute, I'm girly kind of pieces, and I kind of wanted to have it before the weather changes and gets super cold. I'm gonna try this on and let's see how it fits. I actually really like this piece. Oh, look at it. The neckline is really cute. It has a little bit of a sweetheart neckline and I love that on me. And the bottom has the frills, as you guys can see. So I love it. It's like very form-fitting. But it's really girly at the same time. It's like, hey, this piece is really cute. Definitely gonna keep this. Yeah. I'm feeling myself in this dress, as you guys can see. It's just really like, I'm going to brunch on Sunday, so I probably will wear this. Or maybe I'll wear this to my friend's gender reveal because it has like the yellow for a girl and blue for a boy, and I hope she has a girl. I painted my nails pink because I'm kind of like manifesting a baby girl for her. I want her to have a girl because I want a daughter and I want to have someone that's gonna be able to play with my kid when I have one. But yeah, I really love this piece. Definitely worth buying. It's definitely worth buying. Alright, so moving on, the next one I'm gonna try on is gonna be this white floral corset swing dress. It's cute. I love florals right now. I'm really into florals, and it's kind of similar to the wrap dress a little bit, to be honest, now that I look at it. The only difference really is that it has like a little corset tie front in the front. It's not stretchy, it just literally is a polyester material, but it's really cute. So, oh, I'm noticing that it has some fabric flyaways on here. That's the one thing I hate about cheap clothing from fast fashion brands. The quality sometimes is not that good. So what that tells me is that if I were to wash this, it probably would get a little bit worse. But it's cute. I only paid $29 for it, which for it to be doing that is a little expensive. I would be okay with that if I only paid like $12 for it, but being that this was like $30, these little flyaways right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but these little fabric flyaways right here, that's not okay. But let me try it on for you guys. So this is how it looks on me. I mean, it's cute. It isn't giving me life or anything. I feel like it's real like basic. I love the pattern. The pattern is beautiful for sure. But yeah, I'm not really like super excited about this piece for some reason. It's cute, but I would just say this part right here is a little tight on me. I feel like I can't move. Like I feel like if I go like this, I will like bust out of this dress. It's not tight, but it's just not super comfortable. This is how it fits in the back. Yeah, I'm not super excited about this piece. The one thing, okay, so I will say what I do love about this piece, like I love the frill sleeves. I think the sleeve detail is really cute, you know what I mean, and it accentuates the body, but I don't know, it's the material for me. Like the material feels a little itchy. I feel like I wanna wash this in fabric softener before I wear it out, because if I were to wear this for too many hours, I feel like my skin will start to itch after a while. But I mean, it's okay. It's okay. The last piece that I have for you guys is this really cute bandage frill dress. So as you can see, the theme for this video is frills. Literally almost every piece has some type of frill detailing. But I really love this item from PrettyLittleThing. It comes in so many different colors. It comes in this really cute rose pink. It comes in a red color. It comes in white. It comes in black. For some reason I opted for green because I felt like that would look really good against my skin tone. I know I definitely am going to get the pink for a special occasion. I don't know what the occasion is going to be, but I definitely want it in pink depending on how it fits me in the green. So let's try it on and hopefully I love it. So this is the green dress. This dress is $31 and the color is emerald green. I kind of like it. I do. I kind of like it. I got mine in a size 6. And it fits pretty well, I think. I like it. I just think this boob part is kind of weird. Not really sure. Like it feels like baggy under here. Like it's not cut. Like this is supposed to be under boob, but it kind of just like sits. But besides that, I don't hate it. I kind of like it. I feel like this could be a cute like dinner dress. So what do you guys think about this dress? Should I keep it? Or should I return it? Let me know in the comments. Now it's time for the Chic Geeks unboxing. So my items are in this little box here, and I'm gonna open it. So we got 2 iPad cases. The Orchid Faux Crocodile iPad case is for an iPad Air, and the second one is this gray marble iPad case. And when you first open the package, on top is sitting this cute little envelope, and inside it has your packing slip, your Chic Geeks packing slip. It has a MacBook size guide. It has their business card, and it tells you exactly what their Instagram handle is. It also has another business card, thank you card, and it has instructions on how to put this on your MacBook. So I really love their packaging, and it also has a coupon code. So the coupon code is Love Chic Geeks. So you guys can use this on your next purchase for 10% off. We have an option of 2 MacBook Pro cases. This is the Grayson, and then this is the Python version. So let me tell you guys how I found this company. I was shopping around for a new case for my new MacBook Pro. I had gotten a new laptop that I was going to use solely for my YouTube and for business adventures, and my other laptop was going to just be for personal use only. And because the newer MacBook Pros are just so expensive, I wanted to make sure whatever case I got was very durable. So initially I bought the black version of the Chic Geek case, and let me tell you, it is so durable, and it's just so beautiful, and it just screams luxury. It just screams I'm a businesswoman. It just screams take me serious, and I absolutely fell in love with the case. So then I decided to do a little bit more research, and I realized that it was a black owned company, and it was furthermore owned by black women, and automatically my obsession with the company changed. And I knew that this would be a brand that I would buy all of my tech accessories, and I would never look so far. I know you guys might think that it is a little bit on the pricey side, but let me tell you, it's definitely worth the investment. I am clumsy, so I've dropped my laptop a couple of times, and it didn't break, it didn't crack, because this case is so sturdy. Just look how beautiful it is. So if you'd love to be the winner of one of these Chic Geek laptop cases for a MacBook Pro, definitely comment below, and I wish you guys all luck. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.